The Read and Write extension can help students not just hear digital text, but help them understand and define what they're reading. To launch the Read and Write menu, click on the Read and Write extension that's pinned to your Google Chrome. On a web page, select an unknown word and click on the dictionary button to define it. The definitions will appear in a pop-up menu. While the dictionary is open, you can select any other word and it'll also be defined for you. For students who may need a visual cue to help understand a word or phrase, select the word and click on the Picture Dictionary button. While the Picture Dictionary button is open, you can select any other word or phrase and it'll define it visually. Read and Write will even take the grunt work out of doing research. If you select a word or phrase, it'll run a web search based on that phrase. The search will open in a new Chrome tab through a Google search. If you need text translated to another language to help clarify its meaning, select the text and click on the Translator button. In the Settings menu, you can change this translation language.